let's get on with it. So first, we're using foundation. See? I'm gonna do one dot up here, one dot down there, one dot here, and one dot there. And there. Now time to use the brush to rub it in. Now that that's done, we can move on to the next thing. Now it's time to do the eyeshadow. And I'm doing most of the colours. Now only one colour. I think I'm picking this one. Gold. Now we're doing blush. See? Now, this is what blush does. There's glittery blush, which is on this side, and there's normal blush, which is on this side. Now, which one do you want me to pick? Oh, most people pick this one, and most people pick that one. I think this one. Now that I'm finished with that, time to move on to the other one. And there's 3 more left. So, this is liquid liner. It looks really sharp. Time for mascara. And on the last video, I don't think I really did it. So, bye. Let's do this. Let's move on to the last and final one. I'm just doing the lipstick now, and it's pink because on the last video I did red. Can you remember? And if you haven't watched it, please go and check it out. I was stealing my mom's makeup, but this is part 2 now, so I don't need to steal my mom's makeup, do I? So, what do you think? I have loved part 1 and part 2 of this video. This has been the best video of my life. And don't forget to comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I don't think my mom's gonna ever let me borrow her makeup again. Guess what I am doing for the next makeup video? Comment down below, and on the next makeup video, I will tell you the shout outs who won.